guys, the VIX is shooting up because someone is trying to sell this market. That means you are getting a fight there. At the higher level, if the VIX is shooting up along with the market, that shows clearly that these guys are just like someone is trying to sell this market at higher level. But I would definitely try to stay away light now. I don't want, at least the VIX has to be like, if it is not making a move, that's fine. But I don't want the VIX to make a move when the market is trying to inch up. That means at higher level, you can definitely expect some kind of a profit booking to be coming in. Guys, VIX is shooting up almost to 21K levels. Anyone who's staying in the long, be careful now. Even though it is all joining, but I'm still like little worried. Rather than like repent, I would stay away light. 2711. Because whatever the morning profits which we have made, I wanted to protect it. Because on a day like this, if you're happy with like a 1% return and that one on like a big capital, I should be really, really happy. Even if I don't get an opportunity, I'm happy. Almost there. That's good. That's the attitude. You have to like withdraw your profits and then like enjoy the ride. See what is happening. Guys, anything can possible. Imagine we are talking about the short covering happening on, right? But what if like there is a serious long unwinding happening by the FIS, because FIS have been the one who have been taking the market higher. And what if like in the last 1 hour, if you're getting a big short cover, like a long unwinding happening? But this is where they will also like play with your heart and minds now. What they are trying to do, they are completely trapping us, and they are just like, when we are least prepared, they are taking the market higher and higher, and nobody was prepared for this move. And now they are literally like making everybody scream. I think the writers are going in for like a big trouble, especially who have been writing it on the put side, sorry, the call side. They are literally puncturing them. This is absolutely crazy. 23,500. They are making it go crazy on the short writers on the call side. Guys, glad that like we stayed the whole day on the call side. We were right, and that's proving to be right. This is good news. This is what I would like to see. What I would also like to see is building up like a pretty large short build-up here. This is huge, guys. After this long unwinding, someone is coming and taking a long position again, showing that these guys are going to like prove something to the market. And it is all going with like a large volume. Let me quickly see my sentiment meter. But sentiment meter is not going beyond, because the writers and both the buyers are like exiting the position at the same length. I think it is taking more into like the VIX into the count, because VIX is equally trying to go, and that is not giving the confidence to the sentiment meter to go aggressively higher. Very difficult day to trade. Nifty has been the clear winner today, because whether it is IT, whether it is Bank Nifty, I'm going to move. You guys push me higher and higher. I will keep on moving. And that's what Nifty has done it today. Look at that VIX candle. That is what the problem is, right? When the VIX is moving higher and higher, you're still getting the market moving higher. That means someone feeling like at the dizzier heights, I'm not really comfortable, don't take me higher. It is screaming there. But there is a fight which is going on, guys. Trust me, this is a big boys fight. Let's not get in between the crossfire. I'm telling you honestly. This is a big boys fight which is happening. And the crossfire can seriously kill whatever the profits which you have made for the whole day. This is absolutely crazy. Whenever you see this kind of an volatility moving higher, I don't want to get into that. Time is only 1:49, guys. We will look at 2:30, 2:45. That's when the hero or zero will come into the picture. I'm definitely sure you will definitely see like a one kind of an like a fall happening, because the Dow is falling, VIX is rising, and our market is sitting on like a week's worth of profit. And I'm definitely sure if I am a long who have been holding it positionally, this is the ideal day for me to book some of my profits. I would do that. Call premium is not going higher, but because it's not, it has to move only when the bank nifty and nifty moves, right? So it is not going to be moving pretty fast. So ideally, like I would stay away, guys. Ideally, that's the best way to do it, because this is the area in the past I have lost some of my capital. Why I say lost some of my capital? Because these are the candles where we will keep thinking that the market is keep going higher. Let me go and chase this rally. But trust me, it's not worth it. But we can take a small trade on the put side. But problem is, it can be a butcher move. Guys, we will take a small bio break, 10 minutes, and then done. Good a bit, 1.78. I think like it is one of the biggest day, right? That's good to see that. One of the biggest day for you. Absolutely good. I love that. So guys, Abid is one of the mentoring participants, so don't try to compete with him. These guys know how to play in these kind of markets, and they have their own setup along with that. Bio break means we can just go. If someone wanted to take a loo or something like that, please go and do it and then come back. All IT is selling off. Look at this. See the power of the VIX now. What is happening with the Nifty and what is happening with the Bank Nifty? Quickly you're getting a sell off. Now you know why I said I'm not going to be really keen on like taking the trade at this higher level. And you're getting a sell off, and that sell off is pretty deep and fast. But the premiums are not coming down, guys, so I'm not going to be quickly entering it. Any premium erosion has to happen pretty fast, but if it's not, then done. Long positions all done. 1.23. Good. I think like you guys are now understanding the game clearly. The positional players are exiting the position. That means scalpers, stay away. That means you are not going to, if you guys are entering now, what are you going to do? You are going to feed the people who wanted to exit their position. Don't do that. Why you wanted to feed the people who wanted to exit their position? It is a falling knife which is there. Because the VIX has shorted up from almost 20.5 to 20.75, and that's the reason you're seeing a fall. So if you're catching the falling knife, you will be like caught with like an almost, if the price is crashing, you will definitely get caught big time. Don't do that. Stay light, stay away. Done for the day, 50K. That's good. 1.23, 50. Amazing to see this. Even on this kind of a day, people making money, and Dow at 95, yes. So now you are able to understand how I decoded, right? So why I asked you guys to stay away? This is purely this reason. 21.5, 80K. Good. I needed to congratulate all of you. Anyone made a loss today? Let's hear that story as well. In case if someone made a loss on that day like this, then you guys needed to seriously thinking about it as well. 7K profit. Made 20K. Good. Minus 300. No loss. 1,36,000 profit. 2.5. 30K, Pradeep. That must be seriously wrong something, man. Come on. You cannot do that. $125. What is that is all about? 5K loss money. What did you do now? 5K to 5K profit, 700 loss, 55, 650 loss. I made 1,000 loss. Guys, those who have made loss, that means you guys have to learn some more techniques where to enter again. That means you guys are making some mistake. Do not do that. You will be in for like an, at least glad that like some of you are not making the losses and you are making the right progress. And as long as the VIX is going to stay like this, do not enter again. Let's see like whether VIX is able to cool off in the second half. 29,000. Guys, good thing is the people who have made loss, it is all like on a small amount. I know it is going to impact into hit your like an a profit, but people who have made profit, look at that candle, guys. Look at that candle on the Bank Nifty. Wow. Don't catch the falling knife. Don't catch the falling knife. Don't catch the falling knife. This is like an almost a 200-point fall within no time. So participants, the people who have attended my mentoring, VIX going to the dizzier heights. What did I say? In one candle, you can easily get butchered, and that's what has happened here. How many of you felt the pain now? Anybody holding a position in this market? You guys got the example? What did I say on this? VIX going to dizzy heights, it can sell off at any time. VWAP, we needed to see the volume that is getting created. As of now, this candle is giving me like 130K. This is all profit booking. Once the profit booking comes, these guys will immediately see like what is that which is happening. And they will definitely like try to like and fool it out. So be careful now. Guys, this is absolutely a big fall which is happening now. Do not even try to bother now. Look at that. They have broken the VWAP, everything in a single candle. That is a big, big profit booking which is coming in, guys. There is a huge profit booking. Let's see like what is happening with the like an what to say? Where is the HDFC Bank? Look at it. HDFC Bank is still holding it. Guys, this is absolutely crazy fall. Wow. Guys, don't even think about it. They have broken the VWAP in like a large one, and the power of the VIX is showing up. This is absolutely crazy. In 2 minutes, you've gone completely bonkers now. Only one candle. Guys, this is crazy, crazy move. This is absolutely crazy. Wow, loss of 40K, now 5K loss. Guys, be very, very careful in this market. This is absolutely going bonkers now. Nobody would have thought this, right? Anybody would have thought this. Oh, baby. And the VIX has fallen big time, guys. Now is the time at the lower level. I will try to buy something deep in the money because VIX is falling big time and you can get a support there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to buy 23,000 somewhere around like a 250 levels and then hold it for some time. If it is going to 200, I will just make up some more entry there. The reason is purely power of the VIX. Okay, the VIX is falling and the average of this trade is around like 296. I'm expecting some kind of a support to be coming in at lower level. I'm just going to try only small because already I've achieved the profit. So I'm not going to be taking a huge risk and my software is also getting hanged. Power of the VIX. Yes, 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 yes. That's the VIX story for all of you. Guys, whatever we have thought, is it working in the live market? It has to work, right? But the problem here is you do not know when these guys will do that profit booking and other things. Once that is not there, whatever we do, it is going to be very difficult. Zero the hangs, don't even bother. We have entered and then like, look at this. Only with 200 quantities, we are sitting on a big profit. This is how I will enter for the VIX trade. So people who ask me, what was the reason for our trade? Look at this. I don't know how many made money, but I will be quickly trailing it. Look at this. I'm trailing it as it is going. And as it is going to 290, trail it. No, it is not going to 290. Yes, I'm out. Guys, I'm out. Made around 5,000 bucks on that particular trade. Small traders, look at the magic. And then we made money. And purely because of the VIX effect. And you're getting a bounce back above the VWAP. And this is how this thing need to be done. Guys, don't say that like you didn't make money on that. It's a pure VIX trade. What did I say? Once the VIX falls from the high, almost like a day's low, then that means we can easily get that. Now, how many made money in this trade? VIX trade. Guys, the reason why I showed you the trade is so that like you will learn from that and then make money as well. We waited the whole day. 2 o'clock, we got the move and whatever that needed to be, and we made money as well. Absolutely a thrilling day. How many of you are feeling that it is a thrilling day now? It looks to be a very, very thrilling day for me at this time. Wow. This is absolutely crazy move. Guys, again, you're getting the fall started. Let's look at the OI data. So people who would have been unwinding their position, they are unwinding it left, right, and center. And look at this unwinding with only 29,000 quantity. These guys are just building and building. Guys, now I would stay away. I would not again enter it. Why? Because now they will get into a consolidation and look at the wicks again spiking. So do you want me to like again enter it? Don't. We will just wait for it. Let's see like where the fall is getting arrested. If the fall is not getting arrested, you will be wondering because the Dow is currently trading at 74 points. Whatever the little move they wanted to give it, they have given it. And now they are going to just like stay away now. All the big boys are going to stay away. They are not going to make a big move. And that means you will be getting caught at the higher level. Don't try to think that like it is going to be. Sometimes the most trading decisions blunders can come only in the second half. And I don't want you guys to do any blunders today. Please guys, don't do any blunders. Did anyone like get caught in that? I hope all of you are out. VIX trade is out. Now we are out. Exactly. Our entry was purely because the VIX fell and quickly it fell. And that is a good reason for us to enter and exit quickly as well. Now it is going to be like anybody's game. The VIX is just like a played its role. And then the VIX is again coming down. So let's see like whether the VIX is able to sustain below that level and then or it is going to rise again. Why the VIX is falling now? That means the shorts who have been taking the system, they are also exiting their position. That is a clear sign that the VIX showing, guys, I'm also exiting now. The shorts, we are like happy with whatever the little profits. We got like almost 200-point profit. We will exit this market at this juncture. Never ever catch the falling knife. Do you see the importance of the VWAP now? When the VIX shot up, in one single candle, they have completely butchered the people who have been holding it and they made sure that they are all making a loss because VWAP will be the support level, right? And they know it. Okay, if we break this level, these guys are definitely going to make a lot of loss. Let's do that. And that's what they've done it. They just know where these guys are having their position and they are literally trying to like trigger all your stop losses at the lower level. And absolutely, they love doing that. They love doing that. Now, again, the VIX is falling, guys. Sad, man. So sad to hear that. Okay. Guys, let me look at the active strike sentiment meter. Guys, the sentiment meter has come back to 10%, which is clearly indicating that there is not going to be much of an upside at this current juncture. Even if there is going to be a move, it's going to be a move based on what HDFC Bank is going to be doing. I think all other banks are going to be in the negative. Axis is like a flat, almost 0.5. HDFC is 3. ICICI is 0.5. SBI is back to like a 0.9. And like there is not major fall. And what is happening with the Bank Nifty? 1% up. Okay, so guys, it is going to be like still HDFC, we haven't seen like a profit booking happening. So HDFC is going to be the one which can clearly like outperform this market at this juncture. And if there is going to be a serious profit booking happening and across other things, still the Bank Nifty will not go into the negative. Okay, so it is going to be very important. That's sad to see, guys. That's the reason I keep telling you, please do not be holding the position. And how many of you believe that I told you very clearly, stay light looking at this, right? I told you very clearly not to go adventurous. When I see that, I clearly like, these are the things which is going to difference that. Very important. Pratik, you were there in the yesterday's session, right? Like, what are you talking about? We showed you that what is that sentiment meter is. Sentiment meter shows which way the market can head into the direction. That is something which we are developing it. And I will let you know once it is fully approved and rolled out. Guys, it's not about like the Bank Nifty is waiting for me to like, to tell to fall and other things. It is moving in because it is how the fight is happening, right? Someone is trying to build a position on the upside, and imagine the kind of money that they would have pumped in. Look at this one particular, like a candle, like almost fell from like 11,895 to 11,847, and on the put, this is like a Bank Nifty is pretty huge. Now you know Bank Nifty volatility, why many people doesn't wanted to handle this kind of a volatility on the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is the most crucial volatile index, right? But now guys, look at this. The VIX is continuously steadily falling, but I'm also seeing the Dow futures falling. So let's not be like aggressively taking any long position. Only for the fall of this VIX, we can take some small position, but I would be very careful, because if the Dow is going to fall, immediately you can see another round of profit booking can come in as well. Be very, very careful in this market now. Very careful. Guys, 23,000 is trading at like 270. The average is like a 2295. Still, it is holding the fort. As long as the Dow is going to be positive, you're going to see like a positive momentum on that one. So inside candles are forming in, yes, and more importantly, VIX is shooting up again. VIX is shooting up again. Guys, let it cool down. 230, we might get another move. Let it cool down now. Let's see where these guys are settling at. 230, we might get another move because the VIX is again shooting up big time. That means you can expect like another round of a sell-off to happen anytime now. That doesn't mean I can go on the put side. I wouldn't do that because today is going to be a very tricky day. Why? Even though the Bank Nifty is like wanting to go down, still HDFC is holding the fort with like almost 3% gains. Only all other allied banks are going down. Axis is going down. ICICI is going down. And SBI is going down. And still, they're all maintaining the positive momentum.